Call gets you inputs into why things are happening, what is being done, the reasons behind. Quant will give you your awareness levels are high, your usage is dropping, some brand is gaining. Call will give you the reasons. Quant can also give you the reason, but it actually goes more in depth. It is where the researcher actually talks to the respondents or the consumers directly. In quantitative, I will do 500 sample size. I don't go and talk even to single consumer. In a qualitative, I'm actually sitting with group of consumers, individual consumers, and I'm talking to them. Research helps you. Research doesn't take decisions for you. You need to take a decision. You know, you will have a lot of, research is just one way to get inputs. Your sales guys will come and tell you, your distributor will give you information, you have secondary research, auto bodies, which will give you information. Research is just one place that you'll get information. It's a useful thing. You need to know your business. If you do not know the business, then you're out. As simple as that. If you can identify a need which is completely untapped, then you can target everybody. Because you're targeting a need which is completely barren. So if I have actually go and open a Cantonese restaurant, I can do advertising which appeals to everybody. Why not? Because Cantonese food, you don't have a specialty Cantonese food restaurant in entire India. So then I can target everybody. Why do I have to go only to evolved audience and all? I can target offices, I can give office, whichever place. Question is that, is my product differentiated enough? But normally in any business, you will have some players already in that market. Very rarely would you get a market which is completely virgin. If you have, then you go broad-based, boss. Go to a VC and say, I will have 100 crores in 2 years. Give me 10 crores now and I'll make money for you. Then that's fine. But otherwise, you need to be segmented. Most of the time, you need to be segmented.